How to transfer contacts from Android to iPhone through Gmail. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, you're going to learn how to transfer all your contacts from an Android device to an iPhone using your Gmail account. It's super easy, takes just a few minutes, and you don't need any third-party apps. Step 1. Sync contacts with Gmail on Android. First, on your Android phone, follow these steps. Open the Settings app, go to Accounts or User Accounts, tap your Google account, then make sure the Contacts toggle is turned on to sync. If it's off, enable it and wait a few seconds for the sync to complete. Step 2. Add a Google account to iPhone. Now, grab your iPhone, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Mail, then tap Accounts, Add Account, and choose Google. Sign in, use the same Gmail account from your Android. Once logged in, make sure the Contacts option is enabled. Step 3. Check if the contacts appeared. Next, open the Contacts app on your iPhone. You should see your Android contacts synced there. If you don't see them right away, give it a minute or two to refresh. Optional: set Gmail as default for new contacts. Want all your new contacts saved to Gmail? Go to Settings, Contacts, Default Account. Select Gmail as the default. And that's it. You successfully transferred your contacts from Android to iPhone using Gmail. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.